Assalamu alaikum friends, I am Abdullah and you are watching my channel Khanli Brothers. I have reviewed Wingsland S6 drone in detail in a previous video. Link of that video is given in the description, you can check that out. In that review video, I included some unedited video samples which were actually shot in 4K. In those video samples, wobbling of the video was quite noticeable. However, this video you are watching right now was actually shot in 1080p resolution. This 1080p resolution is basically the central crowd portion of the larger 4K video. Hence it is highly stabilized and wobbling effect is almost completely gone. Therefore I recommend you to shoot videos in 1080p resolution with this drone to get very stable shots. So here I am showing you only 1080p shots. From these shots you can get an idea which type of shots can be taken using this drone. I have not applied any video effect or color correction in this video. Personally, I like the shots of the drone in which drone is ascending or descending or moving forward. Camera of the drone is fixed, so you cannot get a direct downward view though. Low light performance of the drone is not acceptable at all, hence it is simply not made for shooting at night. So use it to shoot videos or images during the daytime only. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to stay updated about the future videos. Allah Hafiz.